Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Literacy Lunch. My name is Miss Renee, and today I'm going to show you a fun activity to do with your student if they are learning their beginning consonants. So first, what you're going to need is a whiteboard, an expo marker, and a few Q-tips. So to start out, as the teacher, you are going to write a few letters on the whiteboard for your student. For example, let's write the letter B, the letter P, the letter M, the letter N, and the letter C. Now, as a teacher, you are going to give the student a sound of one of the letters on this whiteboard. For example, let's find the letter that says K. Now, the student is going to take their Q-tip and erase the letter C in the direction in which we write the letter. Once the letter is fully erased, you want the student to repeat the name of the letter and the sound that it makes. For example, C, K. Once you do that with all the letters on the whiteboard, you have completed the activity. This is going to help the student remember and write their letters. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Literacy Lunch, and I'll catch you next time.